Welcome to this Schooling Online production. In this lesson, we will cover Module 1, Cells as the Basis of Life, and the topic, Cell Structure. We will focus on the cell theory, which is assumed knowledge for the HSC Biology Syllabus Content 1.1.1 and outlined below. This is Sally. Sally is in Year 11 and about to start the HSC Biology course. The first topic is on cells, but she has forgotten everything from Year 10 science over the summer holidays. She doesn't quite remember what cells are or why they're important. The problem is that Sally has a test on cell theory tomorrow that she hasn't studied for. She was too busy taking photos to put on Instagram, and then playing games on her phone, and then messaging her friends. That doesn't look like the best study strategy. Maybe it would have been more effective for Sally to watch this video. In this lesson, we will explore the cell theory, which explains the relationship between cells and the composition of living things. There are 3 tenets, or principles, of the cell theory. Firstly, the cell theory tells us that all living organisms are made of one or more cells and substances created by cells. For example, if we look at a horse, we know that it is alive. Therefore, the horse must be made of cells or materials created by cells. The cells forming individual parts of the horse, such as the muscles and blood, look quite different under a microscope, but they all help the horse to stay alive. On the other hand, a car is not alive, even though it moves and consumes energy. Therefore,